Hi friends, welcome to the Dawri Logs. Today I bought new product is called as a it is a derma roller. I want to bring notice of everybody who is suffering with I think hair fall and I think baldness problem. This is the derma roller. This suggested the doctor suggested to me. If you roll for weekly, this is the derma roller. We'll see the unboxing of this derma roller. This is the derma roller. We can unbox this one. Now I bought this from the Amazon, I think. Even the different types of the different companies nowadays producing giving the derma rollers. We can using this derma roller, we can stimulate the the scalp basically. You can stimulate if you stimulate the scalp, we can get the hair basically. After 2-3 months, weekly twice we can stimulate the scalp, I think. This is the derma roller. ZGTS clinic care treatment solution. Basically this solution is basically this is the caution, basically important guys. Before using this derma roller, please follow these instructions. Don't reuse the head, don't share with other persons, don't roll too much more than indicated time. If treated skin shows hypersensitive responsive, consult with your doctor. Keep the microneedle part always clean. The store in a safe place out of the reach of the children. These are the important cautions you need to follow before using the derma. This is for personal use. Suppose I am using this derma roller, don't share with other persons because of these infections will come basically. It has the needles basically. It has the needle is the aluminum needles basically. These will be inserted in the head on the skin basically. This derma roller is the model. I am using the model is the Z is point 0.50. This is the we can get the derma roller 0.25 mm needle depth and 0.25 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.50 mm and 0.75 mm, 1 point different purpose. We can use this derma roller. For my use for the hair problems, we can use the up to the 0.5 mm, 0.3. The skin problems you can use this to stimulate the skin basically. The if you use this derma roller, the hair you can stop the hair falling and also the regrowth of the hair. It will helpful to regrowth of the hair, and because of the blood circulation it will happen surrounding that part. The blood circulation will happen around that part basically to make this is the derma roller. I bought this derma roller for the 499 rupees. The MRP is the 1800 rupees they are telling, but I bought from the online. Let us see the unboxing of this derma roller. See, I have unboxed this derma roller. They given in some box type basically. This is the box type they given inside basically. Derma roller kept like this basically. It is carefully we need to open this derma roller. Well, let us see if we open this derma. You can open this derma roller like this. There is a strip is there basically. You have to open this one. Open this derma roller. Okay. Carefully you have to maintain this derma roller. Daily use. Don't use the daily. Yeah, this derma roller. Yeah, I have opened this derma roller. See how it is kept inside very carefully. The box, inside the box. Inside one more, they given one more. This is the called plastic dabba. They given the plastic bottle. Inside the plastic bottle, they kept the derma roller. Yeah, see here. See, this derma roller packaging is very proper. I think they maintain. This is the package. They have maintain. This is the package basically. See, this is how they maintain inside this derma roller properly. This has the needles inside the needles. In the needles, by using the needles, we can like this. We can, this is suppose if it is our scalp, you can do like this, like this, like this on the scalp. Make sure while using this derma roller, your scalp should be clean. Suppose your scalp should be clean. If there's some dirty, suppose your scalp is not clean, that the particles will go into the to our skin, that will cause us some uncertainty basically. Some infections, we will get some infections, some more skin problems, some more additional problems you may get it. This is for a just unboxing. I will provide some more videos on this derma roller in future. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.